Hi vlog! Today is our second anniversary. Hey, sound effect. Yay! Today is February 22, 2025. We started dating Feb 22, 2023. You do the math. We have our day planned already, so keep watching. It's currently 4:06 in the afternoon. On our way to our dinner, anniversary dinner. At the moment, nasa Jollibee kami. Pumapila sa drive-thru. We're having dinner at Tapag pala. Kapit ko lang pala. Order ako ng Yum Burger. Kaya kanina fries lang. Tapos biglang nagbagay ko. Just ng nuggets.
Yesterday, di kami nakapag-vlog. What the fuck? On our way to Tagaytay. Kumonen.
I
don't know, I just slept.
Maayos naman yung roads. We'll tour you later.
So, napapasok na nila kami. But, late daw nag-check out yung people before. So, it's 3:40. Hindi pa daw ready yung house. But, in-extend nila yung check-out namin tomorrow for another hours. 3-4 hours. Which is good. Magpa-park lang kami. Look at the place!
Nag-aantay na kami ngayon. The weather is perfect. So we're entering now Kasawari. Ito yung sala, guys. Small lang siya. May kasama ng ref. Board games, card games. Ito yung window. Pag in-open natin, boom. Sakit naman tayo sa bed. Second floor. Ito lang siya, guys. As in, literally bed lang yun. Nandito. And then may window ulit. Tapos pagka-open mo, charan! Diba? Lake. Kita niyo yung Taal Lake from here. This, sliding lang siya. The bathtub. Meron na ring towels provided, robes. That's it. There's a lot more outside. Kasi para siya malaking farm eh. Ayun pala guys, may bonfire. Yun lang. Hi! We just finished having dinner. So